Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best oil painting book is probably one of the most essential resources for any aspiring or seasoned oil painter. This book is designed to guide you through the intricacies of oil painting, from fundamental techniques to advanced methods, helping you master the art of creating beautiful and expressive artworks. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this book offers valuable insights and practical advice to elevate your painting journey. Number 5. Oil Painting for Dummies. Are you ready to explore the world of oil painting? This guide is perfect for beginners. It will help you learn the basics and start creating your own masterpieces. First, let's gather your supplies. This book will walk you through the essential materials, from brushes and paints to canvases and mediums. You'll be well equipped to start your painting journey. Discover fundamental techniques. The book explains color mixing, brushwork, and composition. It breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-follow steps, so you can build a strong foundation. Practice with guided projects. This book offers a variety of step-by-step projects. They are designed to help you apply what you've learned and build your confidence. Learn from the experts. This guide is packed with helpful tips and tricks. They will help you avoid common mistakes and accelerate your learning. Get ready to create. This book is your key to unlocking the beauty of oil painting. Pick up a brush and start your artistic adventure today. What we like. This book offers a fantastic introduction to oil painting. It breaks down complex techniques into easy-to-follow steps. If you're a complete beginner looking to build a solid foundation, this is the perfect guide to get you started. It will help you master the basics. What people say. This book did an excellent job of explaining layering, especially fat over lean, glazing, sgraffito, impasto, and numerous other techniques. The book also presented safety protocols when working with toxic paints, thinners, and glazes and procedures for organizing materials and cleaning brushes. It gives a good idea of what should and should not do in painting. I like the gradual step-by-step and easy approach to the more advanced topics. Number 4. Art Painting Kit, Tabletop Easel and Oil Paint Set. This artist box includes everything you need for oil painting. It comes with a convenient tabletop easel, perfect for small spaces. It's a complete kit for artists of all levels. Inside, you'll find 24 vibrant, high-quality oil paints. These paints offer excellent coverage and blend smoothly. They are perfect for creating stunning artwork on canvas. The kit also includes 10 different brushes and a painting knife. These tools allow for a wide range of brushstrokes and textures. You can create various effects with them. The tabletop easel is foldable, making it easy to store. The palette and easel can be set up anywhere. It's great for both indoor and outdoor painting. This artist box is designed for convenience and portability. It's an excellent option for outdoor painting or while traveling. It's a complete oil painting kit for adults. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start painting right away. It includes a tabletop easel, a variety of brushes, and vibrant oil paints. If you are looking for a convenient and portable solution for painting on the go or in small spaces, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for artists of all levels. What people say. It keeps all her supplies inside. It is so nice to be able to store supplies and take with her when needed. I was impressed with the quantity of supplies for the price point. Number 3. Oil Painter's Color Handbook, Contemporary Guide. This handbook is your key to mastering color mixing. It provides a contemporary guide to pigments, palettes, and achieving harmonious results. It's designed to help you elevate your oil painting. Discover the art of color mixing with this comprehensive guide. It breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand techniques. This book will transform the way you approach color. Learn about different pigments and how to use them effectively. The book also explores various palettes and how to choose the right one for your needs. It's a valuable resource for any oil painter. Find out how to create beautiful and balanced color compositions. The handbook offers practical advice and examples to guide you. It will help you create visually stunning artwork. This handbook is an essential resource for oil painters of all levels. It's packed with information and techniques to improve your skills. It's a must-have for any artist looking to enhance their work. What we like. This handbook is a must-have for understanding color. It delves into color mixing, pigments, and palettes. If you want to elevate your color theory knowledge and create more harmonious paintings, this book will be an invaluable resource. What people say. It had excellent illustration and imagery to accompany the concepts. This book does just that, plenty of pictorial examples to fully explain this complex subject matter. This book is filled with full-color examples of masterworks related to the written explanation of why that particular artist's use of color and palette was important. Number 2. U.S. Art Supply 9x12 Oil Painting Pad. This heavyweight paper is designed specifically for oil and acrylic paints. The perfect texture allows for excellent paint adhesion. It's versatile for both oil pastels and acrylics. This paper is ideal for both oil and acrylic painting. It also functions as a palette for color mixing. It's great for beginners and professionals alike, and suitable for various painting techniques. You'll receive 2 pads, each with 15 sheets, for a total of 30 premium sheets. This provides an ample supply for multiple projects. It's the perfect art paper for oil pastels and acrylic paints. The 9x12 size provides an ideal working space. It's large enough for detailed work, yet portable. Use it as a canvas for oil painting or as a convenient paint paper for acrylic painting. This paper functions as a palette for oil and acrylic paints. It can be used by adults and holds up well to wet media. It's excellent for both practice and finished artwork. What we like. This paper pad is designed specifically for oil and acrylic paints. It provides a perfect texture for paint adhesion and is suitable for various techniques. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile surface for your oil painting projects, this is a great choice. It's also a value pack, so you get plenty of sheets. What people say. The paper thickness is top tier, it's extremely sturdy and heavyweight, which makes it perfect for oil pastels, paints, and even mixed media. The texture has just enough tooth to grip pigment without tearing or oversaturating. The glue binding is solid but makes it easy to remove individual sheets without damage, which is perfect for displaying or framing your work. Number 1. Beginner's Guide to Oil Painting. Are you ready to embark on a creative journey? This guide is designed to help you master the basics of oil painting. It's perfect for beginners. The projects are carefully selected to build your skills step by step. You'll learn essential techniques through engaging still life exercises. This guide will teach you everything you need to know about oil painting. It covers color mixing, brushwork, and composition. With this guide, you'll be able to create beautiful paintings. It provides all the knowledge and inspiration you need to succeed. Get ready to explore the world of oil painting. This guide is your key to unlocking your artistic potential. Start creating today. What we like. This book offers a fantastic introduction to oil painting. It breaks down complex techniques into easy-to-follow steps. If you're a complete beginner looking to build a solid foundation, this is the perfect guide to get you started. It will help you master the basics. What people say. After a little getting started info, the author eases into painting projects. The first several are monochromatic paintings of basic shapes, a cube, a sphere, a cylinder. Then a pear, first monochromatic and then in color. After these preliminary exercises, he demonstrates paintings of various fruits and household objects which become steadily more complex. The book progresses in such a well-thought-out manner, introducing ideas and concepts in very digestible steps. The pictures and descriptions are so very helpful. And best of all, there are numerous exercises to work through that are easy enough that you'll actually want to do them. Craig Stevens breaks down each demo into detailed step-by-step instructions. The subjects range from a simple lemon to painting a glass jar and metal jug, which helps to understand how to paint reflections and transparency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.